Welcome back to the My Wellness YouTube channel. Today's video is all about elderberry syrup and just how you can make this natural medicine right at home. This recipe is packed full of so many immune boosting properties. Let's get right into the ingredients. Elderberries are very high in vitamin C and antioxidant properties. Mullein leaf helps with respiratory issues and thinning mucus. Fresh ginger also has very high anti-inflammatory properties. It is very warming and great for circulation. Cloves contain a compound called eugenol, which is a very powerful anti-inflammatory, which helps with liver function and thickening the stomach lining. Cinnamon is an antibacterial and antiviral. We will also be using half a lime, 2 cups water, half cup of honey. And now that you have all of your ingredients together, we're simply going to add everything into a pot, except for the honey and the mullein herb. We just want to keep those sitting to the side for now. Give a very good squeeze to your lime. Give a nice stir to the pot. And then we're going to add some medium heat. Once your mixture gets to a light boil, go ahead and turn the heat way down and simmer about 20 minutes. And about 20 minutes later, this is what your mixture will look like. About half of the water will have cooked out. Go ahead and turn off the heat now. Add your dry mullein herb and just mix it in very well. Now we're just going to let that sit for a bit. We can get our bowl and strainer ready, as well as our honey into a jar. Now that it's time to strain the liquid from the material, we simply want to get everything out of the pot, get it into the strainer. We want to press it down really well so that we can get out as much liquid as we can. Now it's time to pour the liquid into the jar with the honey. We'll give it a very nice good stir. And here you have your completed elderberry syrup. Enjoy! Thanks for watching.